Hello student, today's topic is working with form. The main characteristics of the form is the title bar on which form caption is displayed. When the every time the form name is on the form caption is form name is displayed. On the left end of the title bar is the control menu icon. Clicking this icon open the control menu. Maximize, minimize and the close button can be found on the right side of the form. Clicking on this button perform the associated function. The control menu contains the following command. First is the restore. Restore the maximize form to the size it was before it was maximized. Move. Lets user move the form around with mouse. Size. Lets the user resize the control with the mouse. Minimize. Minimize the form. Maximize. Maximize the form. Close button. When you click on the close button, the close the form. Extension and the function of the file. While save a standard exe project, many files are created. The form is saved in .frn extension. When every time in the Visual Basic, the file is saved with .frn extension. Again, the project, when you made any projects in Visual Basic, the extension is .vbp extension. When you created any files in the Visual Basic, their extension is .frm. .frm, each form of the project are saved with the .frm extension. Store the detailed information of the form control used in the form and the code have added for the form .ppp to save the project. After saving the forms and the modules in the projects, many forms and modules are present. It store the information about the project type, project properties and the name of the form present in the application in .bbb extension point. Form modules .frm modules are created to share the code with all the form associated with the project. Examples, you are working with many forms and they use common code, so instead of repeating the code, code modules are created to share the code. Standard module .bas extension, class module .cls .exe. After creating an application, you need to create an executable file so that end user can view the application after opening the executable file, or you can see the .exe file. .frx, the .frx file contains the binary information and the graphics information of the form. You set the values of the graph property and control the form for the .frx file is created automatically. These types of the extension is used in the Visual Basic. First extension is .frm. .frm is extension is used for the Visual Basic form. .vbp is extension for the Visual Basic project. The project contains the forms and the modules. Many forms and the modules are present in the Visual Basic. Then make the project. For saving of the project, .bbb extension is used. Any graphics related files and information is saved in the .frx extension. Any executable files is saved in the .exe extension. Properties, events and method of the form. Many properties are used in the property box. It show the form. When you select the form, the many types of the properties are shown in the property window. Property describe the characteristics of an object. They can manipulate the identify of an object, its appearance and its behaviors. Every Visual Basic object has at least one property. Following are the property. First property is the back color. Back color property set the background of the form, change their color of the form. You can choose any color of the any color for the form. The border style, it determines how the border form Beware following each action for the border style property. First is zero none. In this style, form cannot be resized or moved. The control menu, close button, minimize, maximize button, and form title bar are not given. First is Second is one fix. This setting means form cannot be resized by dragging its border. You can use minimize or maximize button. One fix single, you cannot be dragging the border. Second is two sizable. This is the default setting of the Visual Basic. User can resize form by dragging the form border when you can drag on the form border or by using the relevant button on the title bar. Three fixed dialogs. The user can resize the form. This property usually setting form, that is the dialog box. The form can move by dragging the title bar. Next property is the caption property. The caption is the text that appear on the title bar of the form. Second is the four color property. This doesn't affect the color of object you can place on form. Through it does affect the color of text you print on form. Next is the height property. This property changes the height of the form. You can also set height by dragging form border in design view. Next is the left. This property determines the distance of the form from the left of the screen. Max button is the maximum button. By setting this property to true, your form will show the standard maximize button on the right side of the title bar. If you don't want to maximize form, set this property is false. Next is the minimize button. By setting this property to true, your form will show the standard minimize button on the right side of the title bar. Show in taskbar. This property is interesting because it allows you to hide the form taskbar width. This specifies the width of the form. It is similar and is commonly used as the height property. Next is the window state. The window state property is responsible for how the form set up. There are the three options. First is the normal. The form will open in normal state. Next is the minimize. The form will open but it will be minimized. Maximize. The form will be maximized when it open. Next is the name property. The name property is the single most important property in the Visual Basic. The name property is the name by which code reference this form. The name property of the first form default to form 1. The default name is form 1. You can change their name by using the name property. Icon. The icon display in the form's title bar is set with the icon property. Icon property determines icon to display on the taskbar when the form is minimized at runtime. Next is the picture property. Form can show picture in the client area, the working area of the window, or on the controls. The setting for the properties path on the .bmp, .gif, .jpg. These types of the files are used for to using the picture property. Today close here session. Thank you.